gratitude spoken softly without spectacle. Overall, like standing in the early morning light, peaceful, emotional, and deeply human. When times were hard, she stayed when the world fell apart. Through every tear, through every year, she was always there.
Ian finding his own way, Joe and Holly by his side. Three small lives she guarded fiercely,
Taught us how to stand upright.
not perfect days, not easy roads, but warmth in every place. In her eyes we always knew we were safe.
She held the light through storm and night, a quiet flame that never died. Through all the strain, through all the fight, she loved us right.
We don't say it enough, but we know what she gave.
Every sacrifice hidden, every brave silent day. What we are, what we've become, carries her name in every way. She held the light so we could grow, even when she walked alone. And here we stand because of you. Everything we are is true. She